If you are looking for something different to bake, this delicious hummingbird cake recipe with cake mix is a great option. It consists of many wonderful flavor combinations including cinnamon, bananas, and pineapple. This is an awesome cake to serve at a dinner party or potluck. This recipe is easy to make, which is ideal if you are just a beginner baker. This classic cake is a great alternative to traditional vanilla or chocolate if you are looking for something different. Packed full of flavor, it is sure to be a crowd pleaser. What you will need. Ingredients: 1 package yellow cake mix, 2 medium ripe bananas, mashed, 1 can crushed pineapple, undrained, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon lemon extract. For the frosting: 1 package cream cheese, softened, ½ cup butter, softened, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 box confectioner's sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk, 5 drops yellow food color, ½ cup chopped pecans, 1 cup sweetened flaked coconut, 1 drop blue food color. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease both of the 9-inch cake pans generously with cooking spray. Step 2. In a large bowl, use an electric mixer to combine the cake mix, banana, pineapple, eggs, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and lemon extract. Beat the mixture for 30 seconds at low speed, scraping the sides of the bowl if needed. Then, increase the speed to medium and beat the hummingbird cake batter for 2 minutes. Step 3. Carefully pour your cake batter evenly into the 2 greased cake pans. Bake the hummingbird cakes for 25 to 30 or until a toothpick you insert into the middle comes out clean. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes before flipping them onto the wire rack to fully cool. Step 4. Beat the cream cheese, butter, and vanilla extract at medium speed in a large bowl using an electric mixer. Then, gradually beat in the confectioner's sugar until smooth. Stir in the yellow food coloring until it is fully incorporated. Then, take 1 cup of frosting and mix it with chopped pecans in a small mixing bowl. Step 5. Frost the first layer of cake with pecan frosting. Then, place the second layer on top and frost the sides and top of the cake with regular frosting. Take the coconut and mix it with blue food coloring in the Ziploc bag. Gently place the hummingbird cookie cutter on the middle of the cake and place the coconut in the cutter. Carefully remove the cookie cutter from the cake. Tips and tricks. Store this hummingbird cake with cake mix in a large airtight container in the fridge. It can last in the fridge for 3 to 5 days when properly stored. If desired, you may freeze this hummingbird cake as well for 3 to 6 months. Place the cake uncovered in the freezer for 1 hour, allowing the frosting to set. Then, wrap it in plastic wrap and then next aluminum foil. When ready to serve the frozen cake, let it thaw on your kitchen counter for 2 hours. In addition, you can also place the cake in your fridge overnight to thaw as well. To mash the bananas for the cake, you can use a potato masher or a fork. In addition, you can also place them in the blender or food processor and blend until there are no more chunks left. Be sure to not drain the pineapple before adding it to the cake. The cake needs pineapple juice to have a delicious flavor and moist texture. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.